In a world where creativity knows no bounds, embark on a journey of discovery through the realm of graphic design. Unleash your inner artist and transform visions into stunning realities with the power of Canva. From novice to connoisseur, dive into the art of visual and digital marketing designer. Embrace the pixels, colors, and shapes that dance harmoniously on digital canvases. Let each click be a brushstroke, shaping your imagination into masterpieces. With each design, a new chapter unfolds, a testament to your boundless potential. So pick up your digital pen and paint the world with your unique perspective. This course is powered by Bdnaturetech, and I will walk you through the content of this tutorial from introduction to design principles, downloading your work, working with text, photo backgrounds, shapes, illustrations, icons, and lines, finding stock photos for free, layouts part 1, layouts part 2, and using frames using AI with design like video generator using AI, image generator, etc. The canvas awaits, ready for your artistic legacy. Let's get started.